Hello, good afternoon. My name is Agnes Victoria Simanjunta with NIM 221011060029 from the Information Systems Study Program. Here I will discuss domination in graph. Well, the first one is the introduction. Introduction. Graph theory is a branch of mathematics that studies the properties of networks represented by graphs. Domination is a fundamental concept in this file, focusing on how well a set of vertices in a graph can control the entire network. Here's a breakdown of domination in graph. Domination set. A set of vertices D in a graph G is considered domination set if a very vertex in G either belongs to D itself or has at least one neighbor in D. Intuitive domination set represents a group of strategical choosing points that can reach all other vertices in the network. Domination number. This value represents the minimum number of vertices needed in a domination set for graph Z. Finding the domination number is a crucial aspect of analyzing a graph's controllability. A lower domination number suggests a more efficient way to control the network using a small group of vertices. Why is domination important? Domination in graph has numerous applications across various files. Network optimization, it helps identify strategic location for place, resource, or monitoring station in a network. Minimizing the number of points needed for efficient coverage. Location allocation problems. Imagine placing fire station in a city. Domination helps determine the minimum numbers of stations needed to ensure every location is within reach of a fire truck. Game theory. Can model it can model situation where players compete for control of of a network. Domination analysis help understand how well different strategies fare in securing influence over key points. Number two, literature review. Domination in graph is a well-established and active area of research with a rich history. Here's a review of some key literature exploring various aspects of this concept. Foundational works. Claude Breaks 10962. Book Theory of Graphs and its Application. Claude Birch Theory of Graphs and its Application is considered a foundational text. It provides a comprehensive introduction to domination in graphs, including definition, properties, and basic result. Number one, domination number bonds and algorithms. Orios paper on the consecutivity of a complete graph. Ori on the connectivity of a complete graph. Establish a lower bound for the domination number based on the minimum degree of a vertex. Number two, variation of domination. T. W. Haynes, S. T. Hedniemi, and P. G. Slater's books Domination in Graphs. P. G. Slater Domination in Graphs provides a comprehensive, compre, comprehensive survey of domination variation like total domination, connected domination, and independent domination. Number three, application of domination. G.R. Boundy and U.C.R. Martis book Graph Theory highlight application of domination in areas like network optimization and location allocation problems. Number three, application. Domination Domination in graphs has application to several fields. Domination arises in faculty location problems, where the number of faculties, e.g. hospitals, fire station, is fixed and one attempts to minimize the distance that a person needs to travel to get to the closest faculty. A similar problem occurs when the maximum distance to a faculty is fixed and one attempt to minimize the number of faculty necessary so that everyone is sufficed. Concepts from domination also appear in problems involving finding sets of representative in monitoring communication or electrical networks, and in land surveying, e.g. minimizing the number of places a surveyor must stand in order to take height measurements for an entire region. Location radar station problem. The problem was discussed by Berge. A number of strategic locations are to be kept under surveillance. The goal is to locate a radar for the surveillance at as few of these locations as possible. How a set of locations in which the radar station are to be placed can be determined. Faculty location problems, the domination sets in graphs are natural models for faculty location problems in operational research. Faculty location problems are connected with the location of one or more faculties in a way that optimize a certain objective such as minimizing transportation costs, providing equitable service to customers, and capturing the largest market share. Modeling social networks. Domination sets can be used in modeling social networks and studying the dynamics of relation among numerous individuals in different domains. A social network is a social structure made of individuals or group of individuals, which are connected by one or more specific type of interdependence. Interdependence. Number four, discussion. It's a fundamental concept in graph theory that deals with how well vertex control or dominate other vertices. Here's a breakdown of the key ideas. Key IDs. Domination set. A set of vertices in a graph where every vertex in the graph is either is in the set itself Our agents connect by an edge to at least one vertex in the set. Essentially, this vertex domain all the other vertex. Domination number given notation YZ, the minimum number of vertices you need in a domination set for a specific graph G. In other words, is the size of the small domination set possible for that graph. There are many interesting aspects to explore in domination. Finding the domination number. This can be a challenging problem for some graphs, especially for large or complex ones. There are algorithms to find the domination number, but for some graphs, it's an ongoing area of research. Types of domination set. There are variants on the concept of domination, like connect domination set, where every vertex in the domination set must be connected to at least one other vertex in the set. Or fair domination set, where every vertex not in the set has the same number of neighbors in the set. Application. Domination in graph has application in various files like network design, faculty location, and scheduling problems. For instance, you might use it to place scale towers in a way that minimizes the number of towers needed to cover a curtain area. Number 5, conclusion. Here's a summary of some key takeaways. Importance. Domination provides a framework for analyzing how well vertices in a graph control or influence others. It's a fundamental concept with application in various fields. Focus. A major focus is finding the domination number YG, the minimum number of vertices needed to dominate an entire graph. This can be challenging for complex graph. Variation. Beyond the basic domination concept, there are variations like connect domination, where the domination set from a connected subgraph, and fair domination, where all non-domination vertices have the same number of domination neighbors. Open problem. Feigen's conjecture, for example, is an unsolved problem that asks about the domination number of the Cartesian product of two graphs. Ongoing research. New variation. Algorithms for finding domination number and connection to other areas of mathematics are continually being explored. In, in conclusion, domination in graph is a well-established concept with many interesting research directions. It provides a powerful tools for analyzing, control, and influence within network and structure. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.